am, but I'm just here to show you guys something I made. It's called, bipolar, I guess. So, I made this all by myself. This is my account. See? And we're going to get into it so I can show you guys. And I know this isn't a prank, but I think this would be really nice. I don't know anything that's gonna happen. All of the outcomes that could happen are all random because, like, they're not going at the same time. So let's watch. Thank you. And one thing I wanted to point out, not all of the quality of the sound will be good. I might have to turn up my stuff. Thank you. Oh whoa. I just noticed I put oh whoa in there. I just had to fix it so people don't. Oh. It's just too more. Whoa. Oh whoa. Increases by 20. What am I doing with my life? So everything I did was that ended. Actually, I'm really tired right now. I'm not gonna stop, but let me just see if there's anything like crap. I'm gonna make another one. What if I just printed this like 21? Hey, what about our newest one? Hey. I'm gonna have to go to my stuff. Have I not shared this yet? Oh, I haven't shared it yet. Wait, what? It's not letting me share. Somebody's gonna look that up. Crap! Oh no! At least I did my. Wait, I wonder if I can find an undertone. It's probably Fluttershy or something. I'm probably gonna have to speak really low because there's a bunch of people asleep in my house. So, like, it's Lefty. I definitely know that. So about the bad quality again. I'm so sorry. Please do not scream. I have to hold my laughter. Taylor is the name of my bully at school. No, I can't curse right now because I might accidentally talk so loud. No, curse so loud that everybody would hear me. I don't want people to hear me curse or to talk because I should be in bed right now, but like past the bedtime. I know my voice is really weird right now. And if I stay up past my bedtime, I just get so scared. I do this when I'm scared. Hey, wait. I can't stop laughing. We should laugh at these people's artwork, but still, a bunch of it. Just look at it. That's supposed to be Asheville, I think. Cagney Carnation. Phil Sands. I don't know what that is supposed to be. Phil Sands. I don't know what the hell it's supposed to be. They may be just PLCs, but I have not been able to publish mine. So let's look at okay, so let's look at Undertale. Yes. I must let you guys see this one. It is amazing. The quality is actually good in this one. What do you think he's listening to? Something horrible, I'm sure. They're both worried for their for their safety. How long? I can't do this on a weekly video where I just go see how much longer there is. I wish I could. Oh my god.